Although everyone is encouraged by the ongoing talks, they're still far apart on some key issues. Abuse survivors want at least a 2-year window to file a claim, and the injunction against filing a lawsuit against schools and parishes remains in effect.
Maybe this is the end of the beginning.
Church abuse survivors left Monday's bankruptcy hearing encouraged. Negotiations continue regarding motions filed by the Baltimore Archdiocese they consider unfair, especially the February 24th deadline that survivors must file a claim. They want a 2-year deadline.
And there are a lot of survivors out there who have not yet come forward, and we don't want to put pressure on them. That's why the Child Victim Act took away the statute of limitations to give them time to come forward.
There is currently an injunction on lawsuits against parishes and schools covered by the Archdiocese insurance plans. Through court testimony, survivors learned the discussions are still underway to lift the veil of secrecy of who's covered and the assets.
Technically, they didn't file for bankruptcy. They've got them set up as LLCs. They want to separate them from the Archdiocese, and they want to protect them, and it's just not right because they are part of the Archdiocese.
Archdiocese lawyers previously told the court if schools and parishes want that protection, they will have to contribute to settlement funds. Another point of contention involves attempts to bar survivors who previously settled claims.
To ban these claims to such survivors is ludicrous. These settlements were based on deception and misrepresentation.
The judge says she wants abuse survivors to be heard in court.
Is if a survivor wants Archbishop Lori in that courtroom, he should have to be there, or some church official.
Through court testimony, the Archdiocese claims those on its abuse list are no longer on the payroll. But abuse survivors point out the Attorney General's report has a longer list.
And what I want to know is, are those other 30 or 40 people, plus the 5 officials who enabled, are they being paid, and are they being paid from the money that should be going to survivors?
Archdiocese lawyers told the judge they made 5,000 pages of insurance coverage information available dating back to the 1960s. If talks on key issues like the injunction hit a snag, the judge says she's open to hear challenges. Reporting from federal court downtown, David Collins, WBAL TV 11 News.